You're legalizing Okada. Until 7 January 2025, say yes, why our independence day here. No more say Mofa Mudi and so Abba.
Ebusian for Hi Ghana TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for mobile pass or mine. They say Ghana. Over 67, 68 years of independence. Now, you can say legislations. Governments all over the world are pushing money into technology. They are passing legislations to make sure, say, technology, AI, learning, and all those things are a part of our education. Because competition now be very stiff. As that competition, before now, there, now between European nations, America, and China, and Japan. But they say, even African nations, say Kenya, South Africa, Algeria, Tunisia, Morocco, Egypt, they are all making sure, say, the technological advancement, the fourth industrial revolution there, they will not be left behind. Now, whilst all these things are going on all over the world, in Africa especially, now on mind be to say Ghana. Yen ara ye asase aye Ghana. Guess what? Now ye di Okada bill echo parliament. Ako approve. Okada o. Motorbike in tricycle. Mama can do. And no bill December 2025. The whole world is busy advancing digitally. Yet the Okada bill na yediko parliament. Eko approve. Now mako approve we no na kwasiasem bi a friend Kevin Taylor akotina TV so say promise fulfilled. Hey Ghana for. And are these the kind of promises we want delivered to us as Ghanaians? Hey, Abba. Na sa Kevin Taylor no oti America honum no ade onhu nyama na. Onhu nyama. Some of those nations are passing legislations to make say their electric cars abaye compulsory. Say auto electric cars. And I say fuel efficient cars, hybrid cars. And legislations that nations are passing. Those are legislations worth passing. And Okada. And people who should know better. Now NDC krano, na oko share Okada accident and easy you. Ya ejuma hospital be catch you. Okada. Utimi who be na nitia pie and all those things. Now hey ready. You can't say you want to say now being. You want to say sometimes would you there unti asie. It boss my mind. Assembling na me some way. Okada pa say promise fulfilled. After 7 years of independence, since independence, this is what we can boast of. And this is why Ghanaians voted against NPP to come and celebrate Okada law. Don't go anywhere. Videos are up next. I'll see you in the next one.
No.
Cheers.
Drops to 41.10. So it means if you look at Queen Fast or Tibaya, he lost a lot of votes nominally in terms of percentage one kind. Now, if you look at 2008, Kojo Tevia 10,391 representing 37.24. Now the NPP president already friend Albert Kofi Bo of Onya 9,839 representing 35.26. Now for 2008 Ibano, the kind of elections are cost of Pandaibiano and too close. Too close. Now if you look at 2012 elections, Matthew Nindam for the New Patriotic Party for the first time. And the New Patriotic Party won elections of Panda constituency was in 2012. Matu Ninyami of an Waba Semi. No for 16 times 221, representing 42.48. Kojo Tewia of the NDC at that time an incumbent, Enya 13 times 794, representing 36.12. Now, if you look at 2016 elections, Martin Ninam of the New Patriotic Party offer 19,044, representing 50.14. Kojo Tewia Enya 18,301, representing 48.18. Now, offer here. Now, if you look at Orefen Kojo Tewia, he's closing the gap. Because if you look at Orefen Nindama, 19,000, Kojo Tewia Enya 18,000. In the 2020 elections, Martin Nindam, he lost the elections. Offer. If you look at Orefen Daniel Nsalaya, and now on you already Eddie Martin Nindam Eprena, he won that particular election. 25,741, representing 51.92. Then Orefen Martin Nindam 23,669, representing 47.74. Now, if you look at this particular manner, Meka Daniel Nsola offer. If you look at 2024 elections, as an incumbent, he couldn't win. Martin Nindam, Enya 27 times 647, representing 53.31. Sasso Nsunya 24,213, representing 46.69. As we talk today, the 2024 results, it has been cancelled. For the 2024 elections, Pandai constituency, it has been cancelled. If you listen to the electoral commissioner, meaning say, or more they appeared on the ballot paper for the 2024 elections, they are going to appear for this kind of elections. Now, I want to advise one political party. I want to advise the New Patriotic Party. Reason they say, I know say they are at court, whereby they are going for an appeal, they are seeking for an appeal for the court to rescind the decision of the High Court by saying, say High Court ruling no, they have a problem with it. Agreed, but they have to focus on these particular elections. They have to focus. Now, if you look at say the new executives by here, now if you look at elections, I'm talking about elections and by-elections. Because if you look at by-elections, the NPP won Wokumawu. If you look at by-elections, the NPP winning were just so. The NPP lost by-elections. I was saying no, that day you were there. Just now, Kumawu now. The New Patriotic Party, Ablekuma North, ran off from some polling stations. The NPP couldn't win. Now, wonder, seat by one, the NPP won. Any panel break here from that day, so winning here went to a court of competent jurisdiction or court problems. Nani ban and once why a catch and declare in July. So this particular man, he happens to be the NP. It is confirmed. Court not yet to know and check. And now already friend Kuiso. They won for a by-election work offer. They couldn't win. Now if you look at this pandemic by-election and your by-election now, and you're too close. The results are too close. Too close. As me say, when it gets to general elections, God for us or each one for himself. Reason here, then the party sometimes focus when it comes to the executive role, because when you say if they are able to win the executive, then it means you are coming to power as an executive, whereby you can take concrete decisions. When it gets to election of election, no attention in your one constituency, and one now Captain Planet, all forces come together. So you see big men coming from all contexts. You see government bringing liquidity. You see them making sure say no matter they are going to do it. It will be suicidal for the NPP if they lose this particular election. I'm telling you, that means gradually the NPP are losing its members.
But I will also tell you that they will lose.
Hey,
any election, except you haven't followed the election. Any election,
yes,
sita swing
yes.
By election, by certain government or party in the area.
Do you know why I agree with you? After 2020 elections offer, them. I made one particular statement say NPP for no more winning about current MPs or more winning about close to maybe 51-52%. If you look at the next 4 years, majority of them they are going to lose their seat. Majority of them they are going to lose their seat. Them know again say if you look at this particular results, both the nominal figures and the percentage are too close. Too close. Of Fabian can say just
no, the elections the campaign becomes easy for a certain party.
Yes.
We are in government. This is our first year. It will be
goodwill
for you to bring somebody that is not from
our
party.
I get you.
Our president want to recognize that person.
Thank you. I just buy election. I got you.
Yes.
where it is 50-50 be and check the records.
I get you. I get you.
But be a seat, you know, a year swing, a koha kakra, a be doing
yes, 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 yes,
now about one term, now about we be when there is a by-election,
yes,
the certain party are not buying a war,
yes,
or more and a winning party, no.
And of course, you can enter no yard 100%. They say, if you look at Panda constituency, Omako 8 times. The NPP are winning only 3. The NDC have won 5.
And the normal equality, that seat belongs to the NDC.
Thank you.
More than the NDC.
The NPP.
And what it means is that this time the margin no crab is huge.
Really?
Take it from me. Me say campaign here easy. Me na media there for the next 10 years.
Yes.
As much see na NDC for Edinaba. Someone fana ma.
Yes.
When mukofa nyindam ba.
For project be he cannot even lobby for anything.
The people will understand and bring that person. Moreover, that place na kunyana check.
Yes. Yes.
I'm telling you, so don't say that you can't use this to test their popularity.
I get you.
I'm telling you.
I get you.
And don't be surprised.
I get you.
When they lose this election, you'll be surprised. Don't be. Don't be at all.
I get you.
But when a almost stronghold,
yes.
For example, a seat like be a GISO, perish the thought,
yes,
and then be a by-election of which you who send this year winning share,
yes,
a MPP dominating. Now NDC, you about just a seat in the free woman somewhere. Be surprised.
And another no can say the NDC is still enjoying goodwill.
Oh, why not?
The NDC, they are still enjoying goodwill.
Why not?
So it is going to be easier for them to do campaign. And if you look at policy whereby even economy normal be so if you look at inflation, how things are being run dollar neighbor form, and it maybe they can even promise them goodies, they can even make pledges and say the Maya say offer. It is going to be a difficult one for the New Patriotic Party, I tell you. Not just difficult, but it's going to be extremely difficult for the NPP to win this seat. I'm telling you, all forces combined. Because you see the government machinery there. You see big men over there. You see the NDC over there. Now no court will in the buy. Our court no cast. They have to go and do the elections again. The NDC, their catcher said they are going there to do their campaign. And they know they are going to claim the seat from the New Patriotic Party. Hey, over Enyasem Ketwa. Enyasem Ketwa never know.
My destiny is while the New Patriotic Party, because just like we spoke to Chairman Sabunsu,
yes,
Enra,
yes,
now Oche and said the speaker is playing a double standard,
yes,
in the way and manner or handle this issue,
yes,
true or false. Well, I want more Fiono,
yes,
and there's some challenges.
Thank you.
Whether they would even go to court, because I remember that of Jachikwesen.
Yes.
On the after appeals court. Omoko appeal. No?
Yes.
Ebubo Jachikwesen.
Yeah, yeah.
And New Patriotic Party MPP for no. Said then omo service speaker.
Yes, speaker.
Said the ebeya ebemo motiwa declare the seat vacant.
Vacant.
So at that moment, na omo service speaker. Emma speaker moment say, well, I didn't NC. Onyan go through the entire way, system, justice system, because almost 7 notice say, because of almost
yes,
Jachi question, I'm running for that 7 notice that they are going to the Supreme Court,
the apex one,
yes, and in adding Tina Yan Cheng. Emma Omo Enko Supreme Court, not
final determination of the matter.
It was after Supreme Court,
yes,
and no declare seat
vacant.
Supreme Court declare and no declare seat vacant.
Yes.
So now, what has changed?
What has changed?
Sir, Nyendam and so any team at 7 notice that they are also heading to the appeals court.
Yes,
because this is from the High Court.
Yes,
and why can't we also wait? Now exhausted all the avenues. No, we say a fade baby a drone.
Yes,
just like Jachi Quest
Indian.
Nanka we are then we proceed.
Of I mean, nano, I may share minority no. To a